So first things first, you can see we were heading straight down here for 8Z22, and I've been talking about the 8Z22 support in a lot of my videos. But now what we're seeing inside of Baby Doge, we got stopped before we could even get all the way down to 8Z22. We got stopped all the way down here at 8Z26. So right now you can see Baby Doge is trying its best to get past this resistance all the way up here at about 8Z30. So this 8Z30 area is our resistance. We have some more red bars up here showing we have less demand in this area, so it kind of confirms it. And we also have our Fibonacci retracement in this area as well. So it really does confirm that 8Z30 is our resistance. Now we got past it briefly, but now we're back below 8Z30. So now we're kind of trading between the 8Z28 area here, trying to stay above 8Z28, 8Z27, so then we can stay bullish. But look, if we do get above this area right here, this little red bar, that means that we're probably going to end up going towards a bullish movement here. If we can get past this area here, these three areas, and then finally get up here to this next resistance back at 8Z36, then that kind of confirms our bullish theory. So we need to get back up to 8Z36 in order to become bullish, and we need to pass 8Z36. But as of right now, we are below still our support or our resistance. So look, we still have the possibility of going back down and eventually back down to our other support down here, the 8Z22 that I was talking about. So there's still that possibility of going all the way down to 8Z22. We just kind of temporarily went off of that path. And you can see here we were on that path, but now we temporarily went off of that path. And now we're kind of just, trickling down to the side here, traded sideways, seeing where we necessarily want to end up here with the baby Doge. So if we go over to the 4-hour chart, it'll look a little bit different for you all. Now, the 4-hour chart shows on the oscillator that there's actually more selling than you would think. So there's actually more selling than you think on the oscillator. And you can also see we're currently inside of a whole red area, which is always our supply and demand of less demand when we're inside of these red areas. So if we're inside a whole red area here, our oscillator on the 4-hour chart is also showing that we have a lot of selling volume. But the 15-minute chart shows that we just got out of a bad area and we're like right above it. But when you look at the 4-hour chart, it shows that we're actually in that bad area. So we still have that possibility of pulling back down to 8Z22, but we also have a minor support at 8Z25. So we might actually get stopped at 8Z25 if we start to go down a little bit, and then we'll probably try to end up retesting this resistance up here that we have. So yeah, it's a funny area right now to be inside of Baby Doge because right now it really nothing is going the way that you want it to actually go. But we're still in the game here. We're still trading sideways. We're not necessarily just going straight down below our support at 8Z22. So we still have a lot of momentum with Baby Doge, and I think we can still keep this up personally. But it's all in what you want to do. It's whether you want to wait till we get to like 8Z22, 8Z16 or something, and then try to buy as opposed to getting in right now. I would say even right now is a good price because if you look at it, getting in now and then you're getting out at 6Z1, like you're still getting in at a good price at 8Z28. Could it be a little bit lower than 8Z28? Yes, but I would still say it's a good price. Me personally, though, I am waiting for it to get a little bit lower because I'm a little bit risky like that. I want it to go a little bit lower before I jump in. Like I said, I want to see some 8Z22, so I want to pick some up at 8Z22, and if we go lower, but we may never go lower, and that's why I say it's always best to dollar cost average. Don't listen to me, don't follow me. I'm just doing, what I want to do. But like I said, you always want to do your own research because me personally, I want to get in at 8Z22. I want to get in at 8Z12, but it may never get there. We may just go right above this resistance right now and never see those low levels again. We may never even see below these levels again either. So we just got to wait and see what happens. Big shout out to everyone out there that watched the video. Also hit the like button and subscribe. This is the Marcellus Clips channel. On this channel, we will be continuing to grow, and I will continue to put the clips to all the videos on this channel just in case you don't want to watch the long form content. So definitely check that out. Let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers and plus and beyond, and stay tuned for another video.